how to turn off the green dot or green light on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to tell you first what this green light means, and then I'll show you how to get rid of it on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the green light is kind of a security feature on your iPhone that lets you know that your camera is being accessed. So as you can see, I'm currently have the camera on and it is letting me know with this little green dot that there is an app accessing my camera. So we can easily tell what app is actually using and accessing our camera by swiping down from the top right to open the control menu. And at the very top, you'll see a little green dot. If you select that, so the app that is next to the camera, it might be your camera, Snapchat. For me, it's going to be Instagram. That is what is accessing my camera. So I can quickly get rid of the green dot by simply closing Instagram. And as you can see, the green dot is now gone. But if we want to stop that app from having access to our camera so that we can never have the green dot again, all we need to do is open up the settings on our iPhone, then scroll down and select apps. And then in the list of apps, you can either find the app that you want to remove access to the camera, or you can just search it. I'm just going to search Instagram. I'll select Instagram. Then once the app opens, find camera, turn off the access, and then that app will no longer be able to access your camera, and it'll no longer turn on the green dot on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.